Oh no!
Head on! Head on! I have way more surface area for you guys to hit. I'm stuck. You're going this way, buddy.
How much damage did I do?
Not a lot.
Oh.
That's what I figured. Like, oh cool, I flipped him. Oh, it doesn't matter.
Well, no, no joke. If you flip me, I cannot get up. If I'm in this, absolutely not. So I have to reset if I want to play.
And you don't give it any time for anybody else to hit you, or for me to flip around and hit you.
Because I like to play. Why?
Oh no!
Why would I
don't
sit
do
there and let someone else hit me when I want to play and not get hit?
Well, then I guess I should be resetting more often.
There's not enough room.
Like, I should probably be resetting here instead of reversing.
You're really going to take the on me because I'm resetting? Really? Why are we doing this?
For Josh. Oh, Jesus! It makes sense because he's a massive thing, just like me, and I tend to reset a lot if I get stuck.
Like, why would I not reset here? I'm currently stuck and getting hit by every person. But I didn't, because I'm not. I'm leaving this alone. I'm done. He almost. I'm stuck in that position. That's a wall. Ow. My owl. Ah, my front end!
Oh shit, I'm stuck!
Get away from me! Ow. Did I get one wreck? Ah, wait, I've done 3? When did I get 3? I'm the only one who could actually do damage to you. I got wrecked. I got you. School bus versus harvester. Apparently, school bus can fight against a harvester. Why? Just drove into a wall. Help! I'm stuck on cars! That didn't count as a hit.
I'm being pushed by something.
That didn't. Oh no, I did get him. That's what this say. My controller is vibrating so much.
Jesus Christ! Ah! Ah!
You know, I would love to be able to move.
Was I stuck on you?
No, on that pile-up, I was on the top of the pile-up for a while, so I couldn't go anywhere.
Oh, motherfucker, how did I miss every single person? just hit every wall while I turn. That does make sense.
I mean, most of this last like 2 minutes, I haven't been able to move with my own volition.
Fuck. Yeah, this is a really small demolition map, unfortunately. Oh my.
For this many
People
many
keep
players.
ramming into me and dying. That's how I'm getting so many wrecks. Ah. Oh, Jesus,
God.
you for that. That was interesting. Ow, my ass. No. No, you got me. Mike. I'm sorry, the harvester with you being outside of it is hilarious when you die. Your body just goes flying. I have actually killed Cameron for once. Oh my god.
In fact, my suspension apparently broke.
Ow, my back end. Oh god, the harvester! Let me back up! Oh, you get off me! Why are we flipping the bus? Okay, well, this was unfair.
I was trapped there right next to you for a while.
The both of you were flipping me, and I don't even know if... I know one of you is doing it intentionally.
I was trying to get
I
out
know
of there.
one of you is doing it intentionally. The other one, I don't think so. Yeah, see, I can't get back up when I'm on my side. So I'll have to reset. No, why? Every time with you. Can we... Why with you? I can't... All of you... You just got that guy killed. Mother, god damn it! I am now on a car.
So I launch a car outside the map.
I missed.
I'm surprised I didn't just hand error a kill right there.
Did it twice last
Christ.
round. Ow, my ass. I can't move. I can't turn. I can't turn. Ah! Why? Nope.
Don't worry, I got revenge.
Dang it, I tried to kill
Also, I'm
your
stuck.
killer there, Cameron, but it didn't work. Oh shit, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, you started going forward when I was trying to turn.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
sorry.
I can't Jesus.
Oh god! I saw you spawning in, I'm like, oh great, I'm going on my side again, aren't I?
Jesus. Ah! Oh my.
Alright. Yes, I got you. How did that count as me getting you? Oh, freak.
Come on. Come on. Turn.
Oh, hi. Why? Every time with you. I have 5 health.
You helped me wreck 2 cars there.
Yeah, well, I'm currently stuck on a car. Fuck, I just killed myself. I see you're dying behind me. Probably shouldn't have spawned there, huh?
I just saw you just drive.
Yeah, because the
straight
guy
into
who's
concrete.
stuck in front of me was still alive when I ran over here. And he's not anymore when I ran into it. No, get away! Can't assist.
I'm stuck on 11.
Ah, I'm stuck on a wall.
I killed 11.
I used another car to almost kill No Idea.
Surprise! Next time I'm just going to use a regular car because Jesus, I'm stuck.
It just sucks.
I got a wreck by tail whipping someone.
I completely flipped you onto your back.
Jesus! Ah!
Ah! Hi, Cameron. I can't move. Damn it. They're all surrounding me.
Okay, I could not back up.
I was told that guy's killed because someone pushed me into him. What are you doing? My engine's on fire. No! Come back here! Yay! Did I get you? I have no idea. Yay! 28.
On the ground.
My controller disconnected. Hold on.
Hi, Cameron.
There we go. I got stuck in a car again. I am very stuck in a car. I am very stuck in this car. Can you get off of me?
Cameron!
Eh.
You went straight. We collided. And there it goes again. Ow.
Can you get
Oh, wait, I'm
off
about
of
to
my
die.
wheel well? Jesus.
I've been
And I
wrecked.
missed the guy that killed you. Oh, Jesus, I found a camera. Goes having a way better time with the bus.
I gotta say, I think that's the first time I've seen that happen.
Oh, Jesus. I hurt you by falling on you. I saw that.
While I was reversing, it was actually telling me I should reset.
Yeah.
Or reset. I'm like, no, I'm moving. There's no need to reset.
Okay, get off of me. Oh, God. Oh, wait. Oh, God. I hit a fence. I hit a fence again. Get away from the fence! Yay, my first wreck. Cameron has like no health. Well, that was fun. Yay, 2 wreck.
No health, 2 kills, and I finally died.
Yay, I have 3 now. I'm stuck on someone's dead body. Can you like back up or something? Get out from under me!
Damn it!
My engine is damaged. Oh, yeah.
Damn it. Oh! The harvester was drifting!
Tokyo Harvester. He flipped me over. Get me off of him.
The engine's in the red.
Well, that'd be because your engine's gone. my friend.
How am I moving?
Momentum.
Oh!
Hopes and dreams. Hopes and dreams.
I killed myself.
I killed you.
Technically, I hit a wall, which caused me to go up and over.
Oh! Jesus Christ. What wrecked me?
Oh, you got eaten alive.
Well, my recording's gonna be interesting. So,
Yeah, mine too.
oh, because this looks really interesting when it's first person.
Come on, get off of me. That didn't kill him, okay? Get off my axle!
Double kill.
Oh!
I'm stuck on someone. Yay, I got another one.
Whee! I spun.
Oh god. Yeah! Come on! Give me an actual wreck, not all these assists!
so low.
I'm almost out of the map! Help! That didn't do anything. I'm sad.
Oops.
I keep spinning out. Ah.
No! Please! Yes!
Oh god. To be honest, it's kind of nauseating in first person.
I would think. I have 10
It
health.
feels right.
Oof.
Two health. No! Both of you
Oh,
can
Gary.
screw off! How did I not get that kill? I have 1 health. How? I dodged both of you. Like what? No, bad. No, stop it. Ah!
I wrecked
I'm
you.
so far in the field.
How's that, Pally? Oh. I got
I
drift
got
a bit.
killed. Woohoo. I'd like to turn left, you motherfucker.
Oh, I've been wrecked.
Wait.
That guy had no health and decided to ram me. That was funny.
Why Why does it come up so goddamn quick?
I told you. I was telling you about the freaking reset.
Oh, I know, I'm still confused of why it comes up so quick.
I think it's just because it's technically it thinks that we're needing to reset, even though our whole point is to get her.
It's like, oh, you stop moving for a millisecond? Oh, you must be stuck. You have plenty of room behind you to reverse? No, you're stuck.
You are not dead under me. You are not dead under me.
That looked amazing, though.
Thank you.
It kind of vanished a little bit when you hit it.
I'm stuck again! I do wish it shows me how many assists I got. God damn, did I have a lot of assists.
Yeah.
Woo!
Hey, I got a kill right at the end. Nice.
And that's an assist.